Hey, what's up, you guys? This is your girl, Bossy, with Bossy Solutions. And on this channel, we talk about business, freelance, and finance. And today, I've got 3 credit cards that you can pre-qualify for if you have bad credit. So make sure you hit the thumbs up button, okay? Now today I've got the Fortiva card, Milestone, and Destiny card for you. And I wanted to get these cards for the people on this channel that watch my bad credit playlist, because a lot of the times when you're trying to fix your credit, you want to pre-qualify because you don't want to incur any more inquiries. Now, I wanted to let you guys know who should apply for this cards. Now, these cards are for people with bad credit, and it is a pre-qualification, so it won't hurt your credit score on any of these cards if you apply. However, you probably won't get approved unless you have a score from at least 580, you've got low inquiries, and you're just really just looking to expand your credit. So on Fortiva's website, which is linked in the description, I always have the applications linked in the description. It says it's subject to credit approval. Even less than perfect credit is accepted. There's no program fees or initial deposit needed to open your account, and you can pre-qualify without impacting your credit score, okay? And I think this card is something that you guys could really benefit from utilizing and adding to your credit mix. It's unsecured credit. You get a free credit score. It's a simple application. You get an instant decision, and I just think that you can't beat that. And it's a pretty simple, straightforward pre-qualification. So I have that linked in the description for you guys. Let me know if you get approved and what amount, okay? I love it when you guys let me know how much you're getting approved for. All right, let's just take a quick snapshot look at this card. There is no one-time fees. There's no monthly fee. And then you have an annual fee between $49 and $175 for the first year. And then after that, it's only $49 a year for your annual fee. You're going to get 22.74% to 36% APR on all your purchases. And for your cash advance fee, there's only a 5% cash advance fee, and there's a $5 minimum fee for a cash advance. You can also the cash advance APR is going to be 25.72% through 36%. There's a smart chip on the card. There's also a late fee of up to $41, and you have a grace period of 25 days with this card. And like I said, the application is linked below. Let me know in the comments if you get approved. Okay, boo? Now let's move on over to the next card, which is Milestone. On Milestone's website, it says, take credit for your accomplishments. It says you're working hard to achieve your goals, and a challenging credit history shouldn't stand in your way. Get pre-qualified today for the Milestone credit card. All right. And it says they report to all 3 bureaus. You can use with confidence and know that it's going to be accepted anywhere that MasterCards are accepted. You got your fraud protection. They're telling you all about the app. And it's a pretty straightforward pre-qualification. So make sure you go over to Milestone's website and get approved. And let me know how much you get approved for, okay? Now, let's go over here and let's take a quick snapshot of some of the benefits and things that are going on with this card if you get approved, okay? All right, so with Milestone, you're going to get no one-time fees, no monthly fee, and you're going to get an annual fee of $35 to $99. There's going to be an APR on purchases of 24.9%. On your cash advance fee, you're going to get a $0 fee for your first year, and then you're going to get $5 or 5% after that. For your cash advance, APR is going to be at 29.9. There's a smart chip on this card. There's a $40 late fee. There's a maximum over the limit fee of $40 that we need to be aware of. The maximum penalty APR is at 29.9% on this card, and you have a grace period of 25 days on this card. So check the link in the description, and if you apply and you get approved, let me know in the comment section, okay, boo? Now let's move on to the third and final card that you can pre-qualify for bad credit in this video, and we're going to move on to the Destiny card. So Destiny says on their website, it says, a partnership built with growth in mind. Destiny is the partner you want on your journey toward building better credit. It's designed to help you move forward even if you have challenging credit history. And guess what, guys? We can pre-qualify, okay? And this one is pretty straightforward. They gonna report your usage to this card to all 3 credit bureaus, and it is unsecured credit. So definitely click the apply button and see if you pre-qualify, and they have a pretty straightforward, quick and easy pre-qualification. Okay, now let's get into some of the details about the Destiny card. Okay, so there is no one-time purchase fee. There's an annual fee of $59 to $99. You're going to get a 24.9 APR. You're going to get a cash advance fee of 5% or a $5 minimum. There's a cash advance APR of 29.9%. There's a smart chip in this card. There is a late fee of $40, and you have a grace period of 25 days. Now, like I said, the applications are all linked in the description. So let me know if you guys apply and approve for the Destiny card, and tell them Bossy sent you, okay? All right, that is all that I have for you today. So we went over the Fortiva card, the Milestone card, and the Destiny card. And I want to get you guys approved of these cards with no hard pulls. And on this channel, we talk about credit repair, and we get you guys approved for these credit cards, and we talk about business, freelance, and finance. And with all that being said, thank you so much for being here. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and comment below and say hi. Love you guys. Bye.